Hello 4-H friends! This is a quick tutorial about Drive Uploader and submitting videos. So you've created a video, and video files are quite large and they can be difficult to send via email or messenger. So we will be using something called Drive Uploader, which is a free service. You will receive a link in an email or on our website so that you can go directly to the Drive Uploader. This one is for the virtual exhibit hall, and this is what the page will look like when you go through the link. As you can see right here, that you will need to either drag a file or select a file from your computer. When you do so, it'll be processed, and then after your file has been submitted, it will say upload successful, thank you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your county staff. Thank you.